Welcome to MarineMax and Rogers. I'm Jason Chapman, and today we're going to take a look at a pre-owned trade-in we just took in. This is a 2013 Bennington Q25. So 25 foot in length here on this tri-tune. Starting up here at the bow, we do have running lights and then also docking lights up here. You've got your stainless steel cleat and rub rail down the side, and then also the champagne color paneling right here. Taking a look up top, we've got a really big tower with tons of sun protection. We've got a couple speakers up there as well. And then on this side, we do have our tow point up there. Really spacious swim platform here in the back. And then this is powered by a 300 Yamaha. So plenty of power when you're out in the water. Let's hop up inside and check out some of the features. Welcome inside. We're going to start back here on the swim platform, then make our way into the boat. Right off the bat, we have a complete center walkthrough inside. We have two rear-facing loungers right here where you can sit back, relax, and enjoy what's going on behind the boat. And then we have a door here that does shut and lock into place. Plenty of cup holders all around. Looking at the tower here, plenty of sun protection. We have our two speakers up top, and then we have our speakers and then subwoofer down below. So there's great sound quality on this boat. And then making our way inside here, we have our oversized captain's chair. So it's really comfortable at the helm. We have our tilt steering wheel, our standard tacks and gauges, and then our Garmin setup. And then on the outboard, we do have a Mancata linked to it. So if you want to control it right up here, you can and go at idle speed. We have the cream upholstery that really ties into the exterior of the boat. And then we have storage underneath all the seats. And then up towards the bow, this is our bow filler cushion. And then we also have an ottoman that you can move around the boat, put your feet up and relax. This boat's built for entertainment. We have plenty of room on here. It's up to 16 passengers and it's located here at our store in Rogers. Come on by, take a look, give us a call, and we'd love to show you around. Thanks.